Okay, this is the Centec Fiberglass wire running kit. And the reason why I wanted to show this to you is it's a pretty good value for the money. They're real thin, and now you can buy these and they're a lot more expensive. I've seen them $20, $30, $40, $50, $60. These are like $8. Okay? So you can see how flexible these things are. And this big tube is the 33 foot one you can buy. It's $8. And this other kit I have is just screwed together. Just like that. This other kit is the 11 foot kit. Same thing, it's just smaller pieces. It comes with this wire to push, I guess, or pull. It comes with a little hook you put on the end of it. And basically this is used to run wires and walls. And I bought a couple of these because they're a good value and they're cheap. You can lose them all, you can bust them, do whatever you want. But I just like how flexible they are. And you can stick them up anywhere really. I don't have anywhere to stick right now, but I just want to show you their flexibility, how cheap the price is, $8. You don't have to spend $50 on a fiberglass system to fish down through your molds to run your wires. So, it's a great product. It's cheap for what they do. The only thing I didn't like about them is they said there could be some lead in the brass connectors. So, probably wash your hands when you're not using them. So I highly recommend you buy a set or two if you're running wire in your walls. And they're super flexible. They come in 2 sizes. These are the same thing. Except they're shorter sections. But still as flexible. So they're a good tool to have to fish wires through your molds. Or anything else. Cross ceilings, through walls. Anywhere you need to fish anything through. So, the Centec, I purchased these ones in Harbor Freight. And for the money, I bought a couple of them and they work great. And I didn't spend a lot of money on these little fiberglass rods for fishing wires. Thank you.